Hello to my future employer. I'm Evelyn, 50 years old, married, have two kids, and I work in Hong Kong for 12 years, and I work in Singapore for 2 years. My skills for the job is baby care, cooking, cleaning, and pet care. I can work I can work with coworkers. Yeah, my job now is my duty now is taking care of baby, cooking, cleaning, marketing, and my preferred job is taking care of kids, baby, taking care of elderly, taking care of pets, and taking care and cooking. Thank you.